How is global tourism influencing diplomatic and economic relations between countries? Tourism is more than travel, it's a global connector of money, culture, and politics. From economic influence to diplomatic leverage, tourism has become a powerful tool in shaping how nations interact and compete. 10 ways global tourism shapes diplomacy and economics. 1. Economic lifeline. Tourism contributes billions to global GDP every year, sustaining entire economies like Thailand, Greece, and the Maldives. For many nations, it's not leisure, it's survival. 2. Soft power projection. Countries craft global images through tourism. Japan promotes cultural precision, France sells elegance, and the IA markets modern prosperity. Every tourist visit strengthens national branding. 3. Diplomatic bridges. Even when politics fail, tourism builds human contact. Religious pilgrimages between rival nations or cross-border cultural festivals often achieve what diplomats can't. 4. Tourism in crisis. Pandemics, wars, or sanctions don't just stop travel, they collapse economies. Russia's isolation, for instance, cut millions in tourism revenue, showing how travel links can be weaponized. 5. Visa diplomacy. Who gets easy entry, and who doesn't speaks volumes. Visa-free access rewards allies while restrictions isolate adversaries. Travel policy has quietly become a tool of foreign policy. 6. Infrastructure and investment. Tourism drives airports, highways, and hospitality, and foreign investors fall out. Countries like Vietnam and Indonesia have used tourism to fuel wider economic modernization. 7. Regional integration. Tourism partnerships such as the EU-US Schengen Zone or ASEAN's travel corridor deepen economic and cultural ties, reducing the likelihood of regional conflicts. Cultural influence. When people travel, they carry home new habits, brands, and beliefs. K-pop, yoga, and Mediterranean cuisine all grew through tourism-driven cultural diffusion. 9. Sustainability and diplomacy. Climate-aware tourism is pushing countries to cooperate on conservation. Shared ecosystems like the Himalayas or the Great Barrier Reef now unite nations under environmental diplomacy. 10. Post-conflict image rebuild. Tourism is often the first step in national recovery. Nations like Rwanda and Croatia rebuilt global trust by rebranding themselves as safe, vibrant destinations after years of conflict. Subscribe and stay updated.